Guys, after subscribing to this channel, please make sure that you also press the bell icon so that no notification, no new video of mine, any educational video, is missed by anybody.
I welcome one and all in this session, the first session on PDCET crash course, like I was introducing already to all the students there. Most of you are now there in the class. I am expecting all of you to enter this crash course session with pre-study of the topics that we're going to be discussing tonight. The material is already given in my PDCET basic course, the theory course. Most of you already have that course, so I'm not really, bothered about the notes part because I'm sure you already have my notes. You'll be reading those notes and you'll be performing the, the session. You know, I've already got more than 200 such topics already there in the PDCET basic, along with the recent advances and all my live class recordings and everything which is there in the theory course. So with that, I expect that you will do a very good performance. All of you all who do not have the theory part, please approach me and we'll be, giving you some amount of discount on that, but obviously not as much as I could have given you in the combo pack, which I'd been announcing since really long. Now, since it's a crash course, it's going to be a question answer session, and I'll be taking the doubts towards the end of the class. For all you people who had doubts whether if suppose they missed the class, how will they be able to see the recording? Well, the entire PPT which we'll be discussing, there's the questions, the answers, the explanation, everything will be uploaded every night for you all to see. All those who missed the class for any reason, I understand you people are gynecologists, busy gynecologists, and you would be doing night calls or some other issues. You can miss the session. Some of you requested me to take it later in night between 10 and 12 or something. That's not possible, beta, because everybody is more comfortable with this time schedule. So those people will get those PPTs and they'll always stay with you till you are done with your exam. So this course is valid till you're done with the PDCET final exams, right? So with that thought process, we begin the class tonight. All right, guys. So this is going to be a question answer session. I'll be stopping the feed right now, and we'll be doing the questions. I'll wait for your answers. Then I'll give you the answers and the explanation. Please scribble down any question that you feel you've not been able to understand properly, and we will discuss it towards the end of the class. All right. So let's begin with the session, and all the best to all of you. If you want the theory course, please talk to me after the class. All right. For now, let's start with the question answers, and I'm closing the window for now. All right. So I'm taking it right from the very beginning. This was the first question. And here's the answer. All of you answered very well. And this was the actual answer. Then Bartholin glands, there was a question. And again, you people answered very well. This is pretty much it. Very good. Very well going. Arterial supply to clitoris is primarily from, I think most of the answers in this were also correct. This is the pudendal artery. And you should know it's the internal pudendal artery, which is a branch of internal iliac artery, right? Lymphatic drainage of the labia comes majorly and primarily goes to, this was the last question that I have put in. I think I have also started receiving the answers and I'll just check them through. Mostly, this is actually part of vulva, right? And they all drain into superficial inguinal lymph nodes, you should be knowing. All right. Now we'll start with the actual class. Please stay put, guys, and now answer this question. And I'll keep on mute. You will answer and we'll go forward. Guys, very good. Very well. Your responses are coming very fast. That's very nice. And here it is. Any doubt, please keep marking the number of the question. All right. Next question. One request to everyone is please make sure that you write down the answers number as well. Okay, 6B or 6A. That's how you please answer, everyone. It just makes things easier because sometimes the slides might go, in front or back. Sometimes it can scroll up and down. So guys, please mark the answers as 6, answer A, something like that. Very good, Sweekriti. That's what I want, everyone. So that I know exactly that we are on which slide. And suppose by chance, because of whatever glitch, if the slide goes, a little ahead or something, I know where we are actually. Okay. This is a very favorite of examiners. Okay. My favorite too. Where exactly are the Skinny's glands and which male structure are they close? I want all 12 of you to answer. No one is going to just sit and see. Okay. Everyone answer, please. Guys, please mute. So Hema, Farheen, where are you guys? Priyanka, I want you all to answer. Okay? You're there in the class, so please answer. Kola, I've added you to the last moment. Okay? Soumya. So please, everyone has to answer. There's no sense doing the class if you don't answer. Okay? Please, everybody answer. Meena, you have to answer as well. Saudamini, everybody. Nasreen. And please, this K, please mention your entire name. Okay?